Hey YouTube, here's a little bit of a rant. Kind of beyond my normal type video, but my son received this Litehawk Overdrive RC car for Christmas, and 2 days after Christmas, he ended up breaking a control arm. So we ordered the control arms through the Litehawk website, and let me just dump this out here real quick. So this is the one that broke. You can see that there. And we ordered front lower control arms, which should have been those. And it took them 3 weeks, and they sent us rear lowers. So I contacted them, and then they finally sent us out. But by that time, it was February 25th, I think, of this year when we received them. So I put it on and charged it up, let my son drive it, literally drove it off a curb, a 6-inch curb, and as you can see what's missing there, the shock is missing. Not a big deal. It's a $9 part on their website. So I went online to order the part, currently out of stock. Emailed the company asking them when they were going to get it in stock, and no reply. Phoned the 1-800 number to ask what's going on with that, no reply. And now we're literally stuck with this $300 RC car that, in my opinion, is just pure junk. Do yourself a favor and steer away from this Litehawk product. I mean, the price is very enticing, and I thought for my son, being his first one, a cheaper would be better than like a, what are they called, a Revo or Evo, whatever they're called, I don't even know. But it now just a $300 pile of plastic that sits in a closet. And like I said, I've tried several times to get a hold of the company, and it's almost like they went bankrupt or something. I don't even know. And I forgot to also say, the remote, there is quite the delay on the remote. When you go to accelerate, there is a noticeable, about a 1-second delay from the time you pull the trigger. And if you want to stop, you actually have to put the trigger into reverse 2 times in order for you to for it to recognize it. It's just, in my opinion, just stay away from these. I mean, I'm sitting now, we're what, March 30th. So poor guy's got to drive this thing 2 times. And when this control arm broke, it was literally a little bump in our yard, like not even a 5-inch bump where it goes up to the grass level. Went from a garden to the grass, so that bit of a transition was enough to break it. I thought maybe because he was accelerating in the hard dirt. I don't know. I don't even know what caused it, but in my opinion, they seem like they're just pure junk, and the source sells these things, but they don't stand behind any of the parts. So you're pretty much left trying to deal with a company that doesn't answer emails, doesn't answer phone calls. Yeah, not happy, not sure where to go from here, but do yourself a favor, stay away from this Litehawk stuff.